Well, there's more than 130 indigenous people missing in the state of Washington, an issue that's been called both a crisis and an epidemic. It's an issue KVU's Emily Goodell tells us federal lawmakers are working to address.
Marianne Young Running Crane, Elias Culps, Michael Hansen. These are just a few of the more than 40 indigenous people missing from the Yakima Reservation.
You could say that it's the center of the crisis that we're facing with the missing and murdered indigenous persons issue.
Newhouse says Savannah's Act and the Not Invisible Act, both signed into law in 2020, have been helping.
We've made really good progress over the last couple of years. I'm happy about that.
But he says tribal law enforcement needs more help, something the BADGES Act looks to address by giving them better access to federal databases and by establishing a grant program supporting tribal missing persons and sexual assault investigations.
Another issue that is important is providing access to some of the mental health and wellness programs that are available through the Bureau of Indian Affairs.
Also on the horizon, the Parity for Tribal Law Enforcement Act to address understaffing at tribal police departments.
People are hired by tribes and then are trained and are on their job for a while, and the tribes just haven't been unable to compete because other agencies are able to offer employment opportunities that tribes haven't been able to.
And work continues to create a federal MMIP task force, likely headquartered in the Yakima Valley.
I brought an official from BIA to the Yakima Valley to see firsthand not only the problems that we have that we're trying to address, but to see the commitment on the part of the local people in trying to get something done so that 5-10 years from now, we don't have to keep saying that this is the worst crisis in the country right here in central Washington.
Newhouse says they're still working on funding and logistics.
We haven't got it done yet, but we won't give up.
Reporting, Emily Goodell, KVU Local News.
And Newhouse says the BADGES Act should be going through committee hearings shortly.